ki, ta, ta, ki, Veena, to, Veena, to, Veena, to, Veena, to, ta. Hello everybody, today we will see a new series of adav called as Veena of Teermana adav. Let's see the legs, hands in Tatta Kudicha, hands on the back, Mandalam. Now what we will do is we will start with the right leg. So diagonally extend your right leg. You need to do one tatta and bring the right leg back. Side. Very simple. Same to the left. Side. Let's look at the hands. Hands in the pataka. Both arms straight. Then we need to have the hands diagonally straight. The palm should be facing up. Bring the hand back and you need to keep it on the back. Get it from here and bring it back and place it diagonally. And the palm should face backward, back side. There. We will do all the three speeds. Ki, ta, ta, ki, na, Teermana adav. It's a very simple adav, but this is very important. Every adav is important. Do practice this before going on to the next adav. I will see you in the next class. I am Veena. Thank you so much for